Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious toffee pouch. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You will need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water or light corn syrup. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Also, prepare your baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This prevents sticking. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your butter, sugar, water or corn syrup, and salt. Stir these ingredients constantly over medium heat until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, insert a candy thermometer into the mixture. Continue cooking without stirring until the thermometer registers precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This temperature is crucial for perfect toffee. Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. Carefully and quickly stir in the vanilla extract. Then, pour the hot toffee mixture evenly onto your prepared baking sheet. Spread it thinly if desired, using an offset spatula. Now comes the hardest part: patience. Let the toffee cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour, or until it is firm and brittle. Your delicious toffee is now ready. Once fully cooled and hardened, simply break it into small, bite-sized pieces. You can use your hands or a small hammer for larger batches. If you like, crush some pieces into smaller bits for a different texture. Store your homemade toffee in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain its freshness. These individual pieces are perfect for sharing or enjoying as a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.